I'm a paper blind, wind is throwing me across the sky. But thanks to you, at least I can fly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video we're here in the kitchen and I'm going to show you on how I cook the Chinese spinach with dried scallop. First and foremost, we need to wash well the dried scallop and to take away all the unnecessary things here, and then after that you can zoom or soak in the water. But if you want to make it faster, you can zoom it in a hot water before you start cooking. And then after, we need to work on our Chinese spinach. Of course, we need to wash well all the vegetables, guys, to take away all the unnecessary things. You know that we cannot deny that all the farmers or whatever where it comes, that they use some things to make it good, right? So we need to wash it very well. So here it goes, watch it. And so that's my way, guys, on how I wash the Chinese spinach. And then now it's ready to cut. And before I forgot, guys, after you cut this one, you need also, but for me, but it's a must, guys, after cutting, you need to zoom it in a salty water with a salt, something like that. So you can take all the chemicals, the pesticide, or whatever they put there, whatever they use here, so you can use it, guys. Just make it sure na malinis po yung ating kakainin. And then the sizes or the length is all up to you, but for me, I usually cut into 1.5 inches. So that's it, but it's all up to you on how long you want. Also, guys, we need to separate the stem from the leaves. So because the stem is more harder than the leaves, it's more easy to cook the leaves than the stem, right? So of course, we need to cook first the stem, because it's, as what I said, it's more tougher than the leaves. Time to cook, guys, and we need to put some oil at the pan, and then we need to saute first the garlic. Next is the lower part or the stem part of the Chinese spinach, and then stir fry for a while. Maybe you need to stir for a while, at least 2 minutes, but yes, 2 minutes, guys. And then ito lang po ang ginagamit ko na pangpalasa at parang pinakasabaw na niya, just to make it more softer and more delicious. I don't add anything but only this one, guys. But if you don't like to use such a thing, you can also use plain water and a salt. It's all up to you guys. Mine is just only my reference. And now it's done, guys. After we put this to the plate, we need forward. We need to the next step. We're going to work on our dried scallop. In this part, guys, I'm going to use the oyster sauce to taste, maybe about 1 tablespoon, and you can mix it to the 2 tablespoons of water and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Just mix it together and add some cornstarch, 1 teaspoon also, or maybe just a half teaspoon will do. And now we're going back to our pan and then put some oil. Then next, saute the ginger first. The ginger, guys, makes to eliminate the unpleasant smell of dried scallop. Kasi diba seafood siya, so even you wash it for a few times, meron talaga siyang smell. So then, right after that, saute the garlic. When the smell of the aroma of the ginger comes out, you can put on next the garlic. And you need to crush out the dried scallop. Here, I just only use fork to crush it out. And turn it into small pieces. And then put in the dried scallop to the pan together with the garlic and the ginger. And saute, stir fry or saute, whatever it's called. Then afterwards, you need to add the mixture, the oyster mixtures, guys, and then saute until the water reduces, or you can add some if you think that the liquid is not enough. You can add some little bit water, guys, just enough to cook, just enough to soften the dried scallop. And if you think that the dried scallop are softened enough, then everything will done. Tapos na po tayo, guys. And nag-reduce na rin po kasi yung water niya. So, that's it. let's put it up on the top. So ganito lang po siya kasimple guys, and you know it's so very delicious. And you know yung Chinese spinach guys is very rich in iron, so maganda po talaga siya sa katawan. Kahit po tong dried scallop. I will write down the description below kung ano po yung mga benefits ng mga to. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Pag bago po kayo sa aking channel, subscribe po and click the notification bell para po kayo updated sa aking mga incoming videos. Thank you guys! Have a nice day!